How to verify, update, and make temporary changes to store hours on Uber Eats. Accurate store hours build trust, ensure you never miss an order, and to maximize your results. Navigate to the Menu tab to review your menu hours. If something doesn't look right, hit Edit and change your menu hours to match the desired time of operation. If you'd like to set temporary store hours, navigate to Settings tab and click on Holiday Hours. Then select Add More. Now select the date and apply modified store hours. When complete, click Save to confirm your selection. To set additional temporary store hour changes, select Add More. Remember, setting accurate store hours builds trust, ensures you don't miss an order, and maximizes your results. Log in to Uber Eats Manager today to set your store hours.